Hi everyone, this is a quick check-in and a few messages that I've had come through because there is a lot going on at the moment. We've just had the eclipses, including that amazing solar eclipse, and it is still Mercury retrograde. So there's been a lot of little niggles and delays with this one, and it's retrograde until the 26th of April and then still in shadow until the 14th of May. So this is a long one. It's still bringing things up and rearranging things and sorting things out. So just be patient through this and see what it's bringing up for you. And this weekend, the 20th and 21st of April, we've got the big Jupiter and Uranus conjunction. So Uranus about sudden and unexpected change, and Jupiter is expansive. It expands whatever it touches. It's optimistic. It does things big. And it's also about belief and having faith. So there's some of the themes around this, however it shows up for you. Okay, messages I've had coming through. The first one is to be open to whatever comes up. What you may be hoping for may not arrive the way you expect or look the way you expected it to, but just be open to however it is. What Uranus brings may be surprising and sudden, but Jupiter with it is saying that it's positive and whatever is coming can really expand and open up your world. Message 2 sort of feels like it contrasts that message, but I've put it on the screen here as well. I came across this quote during the week and it feels important at the moment. And it is, be strong enough to let go and wise enough to wait for what you deserve. So we know that letting go creates a space, and Uranus is sudden, but go with what feels right for you. You may need to wait a bit longer if you have to, or maybe you're already in a new situation and you're just taking it all in. So the message is to accept the situation the way it is without comparing it to what came before or comparing it to what you expected. So very much it's still evolving. The way it is now isn't the way it's always going to be. Message 3 is about kindness and compassion. So many people need it now more than ever. More than it might seem just by looking at them. So at the moment where you can do those little kindnesses for others in your daily life, just small things, encourage other people, be positive, and you'll very much be holding the light for others who need it. Message 4 is the color yellow. So yellow may be a clue or a sign about something. You could wear yellow, maybe with clothes or with crystals. Like in the picture here, I've got yellow serpentine and citrine crystal. Yellow is also the solar plexus chakra. So that's your personal power center. If you're feeling nervous or worried or uncertain, expand that solar plexus kind of stomach area when you need to feel confident. You can feel that area with your hand, or you could visualize that yellow chakra expanding until it creates a field of yellow light around you that nothing can penetrate that will damage or diminish your self-confidence. Okay, to the cards then. I intended to just get one card for this message, but quite a lot came out. So first of all, I haven't got it in the picture here, but I just picked them up and saw on the bottom of the deck from last time the 10 of Wands, which is just saying you're tired, you're done with something, or you have been just done with the situation. Some of you are in your new situation now, and some of you are just about to come into it. And then as I was shuffling, I dropped the 5 of Wands. So that made me think, well, what are people done with? It's the arguing, it's the selfishness, it's the power struggles, so those things that go nowhere and achieve nothing and just not wanting to be part of that. So then as I was shuffling, before I even pulled the cards, I got a few messages. One was just to go step by step with what you're in at the moment. Another was to hold your nerve, hold your center. And then the message was just to remember that positivity and gratitude, having a positive attitude, Noticing and focusing on beauty around you will raise your frequency and attract more of those high vibration things like people, places, experiences into your life like a magnet. So we attract the frequency that we're at. So then I got the Queen of Cups, and that just said to me kind of what I've just said, a reminder to be better than the people and the situation around you, and don't let other people bring you down. Yeah, so a lot of us are around conflict at the moment. There's a lot of negativity. There might be some ego and power struggles. It feels quite annoying. So it's just a reminder to rise above that. And then I pulled 3 cards that came out together. And I think these were meant to come out together. So we've got Justice, Queen of Pentacles, and the Tower. Justice is about karmic justice. It's about seeing what's fair and what's not fair, what's right and wrong, and whoever's behind that being rewarded or being punished for it. So karmic justice. Queen of Pentacles is about power, authority, success, and wisdom in work or in business. And the Tower, again, is very karmic. It's about people doing the wrong thing, not getting away with misuse of power. And then finally, I had the Ace of Wands, which again is pointing to a new start, coming out of this whole situation of change and upheaval that we're in, or that we've been in, or that we're trying to manage. So they're the messages for now. I hope something in that was useful for you, and I'll talk again soon. Bye, everyone.